Hello.
Hi.
Hi everybody, it's Amy from AYS and Sam and Jack, and we're back to teach you something you can cook while you're home doing the right things, just hanging out with your family. Some of you may be looking for something to do. Some of you might want something that you could do that's nice for your parent or whoever's making food for you. And this is something that we thought of that you could do with whatever you have around your house. So we're going to make a soup today with stuff that we found that we think would taste good together. And in the soup, we are going to put vegetables and ramen noodles. This is something that you could also just throw some rotisserie chicken pieces into, or some beans, or anything you wanted to make a whole meal out of it if you wanted it to be a little heartier or add protein. So right now, I just dumped a whole box of chicken stock
Yep.
You can press
into...
flip. You can press flip.
I got it, Mom.
Okay, Sam's got the video action.
Hello.
Okay.
Look at that. Ooh.
All right. So now...
Pretty yummy, right?
There's nothing in there but a box of chicken stock, okay?
Nothing. Okay.
And now we're going to start adding some other things, okay? So who wants to chop up an onion?
I'll do it.
All right, Jack is going to start over here chopping up an onion and maybe some garlic. Sam, do you want broccoli in this?
Yes.
All right. How about we get you a separate knife?
How do I peel it?
I'll help you with that in a second.
I just go.
All right. Here's a separate knife for you, and you can make little broccoli florets out of the broccoli. Okay?
I have no idea what
Cut it.
that means.
Just like little broccoli trees, little tiny trees. So all you have to do
It's just
is
slice
look
them
here.
off.
They're naturally trees.
Yeah.
And
So
if you
slice-
take a little,
Slice them with a stem.
if you take a little knife,
Can I
Wait,
take
I
this
can't
knife?
just call him.
you could, but you know,
Knifing is better.
if you go like
That's
this,
easier.
you'll find that you've got trees here,
Interesting.
right?
You're,
Like that.
you're crowding
No,
me.
but we want, I'm sorry, I'm crowding you, Jack. But we want bite-sized trees.
Okay.
So,
Bite size?
yeah,
Smaller than these.
yeah.
Oh yeah, cut it.
We'll just put like one onion in here, I think. So we'll take the peel off the onion.
This is probably gonna. We should
While
do
you
a
guys are
cut.
doing that, I'm gonna wash this pepper and some celery. You
Taking the
guys,
skin off is annoying.
I can't wait to get back to our cooking classes.
Mm-hmm.
I really miss them. Sam misses seeing everybody at wood shop.
Yeah, we miss you.
Jack misses hanging out with his friends.
I dropped the broccoli.
Okay, let's just say.
You drop it, 5-second rule.
Oh, Sam, no.
And they're a bad influence.
Ew. Okay. That's plenty of broccoli right there, I'd say.
Yeah, I just need to make it bite size.
Okay, so I'm looking at my chicken stock, and I
Can I
can
cut
tell
this
you
stuff
right
off?
now it's boiling. What? Yeah, and then you just cut it into slices or chunks, whatever you feel like. All right. How can we tell it's boiling, you guys?
Bubbly.
It's bubbly. And you
Right.
might
You can
be able to
see
see some steam coming.
That's right.
Mm-hmm.
Watch your thumb there, Jack.
Whoa.
Tuck your thumb under. All right. Hold on. Let's take this slippery piece right off of there.
Mom,
And
here's a science question.
Okay.
Is the temperature changing of the water right now?
It is not.
It is not, correct.
Why is that?
Because it is changing phase.
Right. Right.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So now that you're done doing broccoli florets, let's get some nice slices of celery here.
Oh, I might
okay?
start crying. I can feel it in my eyes.
Okay.
Oh, it's
I'd
hurts.
say a half an onion is probably plenty right now.
Hurts.
That's enough. That's good. That's a good slice right there.
Oh.
All right.
Oh,
Since
never-
you're suffering, I'll put the onions in for you.
Oh, can you excuse
Yeah.
me?
Okay.
Cry about it.
It's not my choice.
All right. We got onions. We just threw them right there in the soup, just the way they are. Now I've got this bag of peas and carrots I found in my freezer.
Sorry, let me do it.
we're gonna open it up with some scissors. And we're just gonna dump some right in here, okay? So, hold on, Jack, can you take the camera and show everybody what the soup is looking like right now?
So we got the onions, the carrots, and the peas mixing.
And you're just stirring it in. Now keep that camera right there, because we decided what flavor is our soup gonna be.
Savory,
Like
Asian.
an Asian type flavor. So I found some rice vinegar.
soy sauce.
We found some soy sauce here. We're just gonna put a little in there.
Should we stir
And
it
we
now?
found, not yet, a little bit of sesame oil. And we're gonna put a little bit of that in there too.
Okay.
I'll write all this down for you guys.
Ooh.
You stir it up. It smells good. Okay, let's go back to chopping.
Yep.
Does it smell
Okay.
good?
Yes, it smells amazing.
That's
Okay.
good.
And while I'm putting some more vegetables in there, Sam and Jack are going to break apart these ramen noodles to make noodles for our soup.
Just the noodles though, we're not using the flavor packet. Because that's cheating.
It's useless.
You guys like spicy stuff, right?
Yep.
Should we put sriracha in here?
Sure.
I don't know.
Wait,
I was
how do we
thinking more
break
of like
it?
a savory.
Oh, savory.
How do we break it?
All right. Let's.
First go like that.
It's
There
like a
you go.
rice cake.
Have you ever eaten raw ramen? It's good.
It doesn't sound.
It cooks in your
super
mouth.
healthy.
Cooks in your mouth.
Like that?
Or even smaller. Like
Yeah.
there you go.
Like that?
Perfect. Yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah, and we'll just throw
Perfect.
that in the pan. 2 packages of ramen.
Why not 3?
One day, if you've seen The Office, Dwight one time had a dream that 2 was the best number in the world.
Really?
Yeah, because
Okay.
he was assistant
throw that
to
all
the
in the
regional manager.
Should we do 3?
No, I think 2's plenty because they're gonna take over the soup if we're not careful.
Oh, don't do that.
All right. So Sam, can you relocate the camera so it's like selfie mode
Selfie mode over here.
over here?
Okay.
Yeah. All right. Yeah, but we're looking at the soup too.
Here, we're
I'll just
low on
hold it.
time.
Okay. So
What?
there's our soup. Please don't make everybody dizzy, honey. All right. There's our soup. We're stirring the noodles in. When they're cooked, we're gonna take a spoonful and taste it. And see how it tastes. We can add a little more soy sauce, maybe add a little sriracha.
Yep.
Now for other ideas, you guys, you can add Italian flavors. I've got some ideas for that over here.
We're almost out of time.
Okay. You could use olive oil and basil, crushed red pepper, oregano, or anything that you like, as long as it tastes good together. So I'll write down some good ideas for you, and they'll be posted with this video. And I hope you enjoy your soup. It could be a great snack. It could be a great lunch.
Farewell.
Hi.
All right, you guys, follow all the directions. We miss you.
Don't cry.